Di ba?
자, 여기까지 어쩌라고 얘기하는 거?
Okay. This part, okay, practice again, okay? Okay, man commits sin, and sin causes judgment. And judgment is eternal death. Eternal death means going to non-kingdom of God, then going to hell, So, as a sinner, should go to the hell because of sin. The sin